Good afternoon, boys and girls. I hope you're doing well. I hope by now everybody has their new work packet and you can tell that our study is going to be about animals. And I hope you enjoy this. I hope you learned so much about animals during this. And today I'm going to be reading you a book about two different types of animals, the largest animals on Earth. So remember that we classify animals in two main ways. An animal is either considered a vertebrate, which a vertebrate is an animal with a backbone. An invertebrate is an animal without a backbone. So animals that are vertebrates with backbones are mammals, reptiles, birds, fish, and amphibians. Those are animals with backbones. We call them vertebrates. Animals without a backbone are called invertebrates. And those are animals like worms, jellyfish, things like that that do not have a backbone. So I hope you guys enjoy the reading about two different types of the largest animals on Earth. The first animal I'm going to read about is the blue whale. So look how long that blue whale is. We're going to learn some numbers here about the blue whale, and they are astronomical. So the blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. The blue whale is not only the largest animal on Earth today, it's also the largest animal recorded in Earth's history. The record weight for a blue whale is 380,000 pounds. That's about the same as 2,000 men. So you put 2,000 men together, that's the weight of that one blue whale. Although whales swim in the seas, they are not fish. That might be something new that you didn't know before. Whales are actually mammals like you and I. Remember, a mammal is an animal that warms itself internally, has a backbone, has fur or hair, and feeds its babies milk. Whales have fine hairs covering their bodies. They're just hard to see. Things that you may say, wow, over the blue whale. The average length of a blue whale is 82 to 105 feet long. The average weight is between 200 to 300,000 pounds. The size of their heart is 1,000 pounds. And the size of their tongue is 6,000 pounds. So remember, a mammal is an animal that warms itself internally, has a backbone, has fur or hair, and feeds its babies milk. So why do you think a mammal would fall into the vertebrate category? Think about that for a moment. Why would a mammal fall into the vertebrate category? Because it has a backbone. So we learned about the blue whale. Now I want to talk to you about another large animal. Another large land animal is the African elephant. To find the biggest land animal on Earth today, you will have to travel to Africa. This is where you will find the African elephant, weighing in at 14,000 pounds. This makes it rather small compared to the blue whale, but the elephant must support its own weight on land. The elephant's natural environment, or we call a habitat, is the African grasslands. Here, elephants forage for vegetation for 12 to 18 hours per day. That means they eat for 12 to 18 hours per day. Each elephant can eat between 200 to 600 pounds of leaves, bark, twigs, and branches every day. African elephants travel in herds of about 20 to 100. A herd is a large group of hoofed animals that live, feed, and travel together. This offers many advantages, such as protection from predators and sharing in the care of young. Sadly, the African elephant is in danger of completely disappearing from Earth. And you guys know that when that happens, we call that extinction. The elephant's tusks or its long pointed teeth are made of material called ivory. Elephants are often hunted for their tusks. And the word to know here is habitat, the natural environment of a living thing. So knowing what you know about vertebrate and invertebrate animals, do you think an elephant would fall into the vertebrate category or the invertebrate category? It would fall into the vertebrate category. Elephants definitely have a backbone. They have to have that structure to hold up the big bodies that they carry. And we just learned that they can get up to 14,000 pounds. That's a lot of weight on land. So think about the blue whale and think about the African elephant that we talked about today. How are those two animals alike? Think about those categories. Are they vertebrates or are they invertebrates? How are these two animals different? Think about where they live. Think about their bodies. Think about how they live in their habitats. Okay, I hope you boys and girls enjoyed learning about the blue whale today. And I hope you enjoyed learning about the African elephant. And I look forward to seeing you guys and we can discuss this on Zoom.